That's exactly it. So many young guys get into this industry, and the shops, the culture there is so toxic. Like this, they make fun of my Husky box. They did it all the time. That box was on $1,000 for a 72-inch, 20-drawer toolbox. I don't know why people tool shame, but it's absolutely annoying. And again, then you get these guys that are 20 years old getting into this field, spending $20,000 on a toolbox when they're only they're barely making any money. Yeah, granted, they could probably pay the toolbox because, it's a small portion of their paycheck, but for a long period of time. Again, I have like that Rigid, I have the Milwaukee. I mean, if you buy one Snap-on Impact, like half-inch Impact, you could have bought that whole drawer I have up here up top for the price of one Snap-on Impact. So again, the tool shaming, it's real. It's no joke. All the old heads always made fun of the young techs for buying cheap tools. And again, my thing is it lets you be fluid. You can get in and out of this industry if you need to. You're not tied down to your toolbox because at the end of the day, your tools aren't going to change how much money you make. Oh, this is so much better. I'm so much faster. That is not true at all. Even if it was, it doesn't make you 20 or 30 times more efficient. That's the problem with Snap-on or MATCO, is that it's 20 times the cost of a gear wrench, of Craftsman, of Tecton, Carpi, any of those. So yes, tool shaming is absolutely real in this industry, and to me it's an absolute joke. I'll take a Milwaukee any day over a Snap-on Impact, and that's no joke.